Hi, today I'm reviewing Lenovo Tab M8 and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So first we should press up or down volume button, and then we'll see here the bell icon. Just to activate silent mode, we should click twice to the bell icon. Now we can see that our calls and notifications, they will be muted, so this means that the silent mode is activated. If you want to turn off the silent mode, you should click once again on the cross bell to switch it to the regular one, and now our calls and notifications, they will ring, so this means that the silent mode successfully turned off. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. Just first we should open notification panel shortcuts, and after that you'll see here this ring icon. Just click twice on the ring icon. Now we can see that our device is muted, so this means that the silent mode is activated. And just to turn it off, we should click on this mute icon once again to switch it to the ring one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.